Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW guys 6 series, I'm talking about generation E63 E64 guys, and you have a 6-cylinder engine, N52, N51, N52 engine guys, and you're trying to find where your PCV valve, also known as crankcase, breather, ventilation valve or oil separator valve is located. Okay, stay with us and we'll explain how to get to it, where it's located and what needs to be done to remove and replace it. Quick introduction to the channel guys, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos specifically on BMW. We will have guys close to 400 or 500 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys so we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy a new valve, replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see guys where you can get all that stuff from. So, specifically now here guys, this is N52 engine guys, it's a 3.0 liter 6-cylinder engine. It has been used in multiple BMWs you can find in BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, 6 Series, even X3, X5, one of the most popular engines BMW built between years 2005 to year 2015. Now, before we guys start, we'll be working really close to the alternator and the starter. You have two positive wires that if you touch with the tool or something, you can guys burn your engine computer, you can burn fuses, relays, modules. So don't do that guys. What you need to do first, disconnect the car battery, and it's very important how you disconnect the car battery so you do not cause any damage to the electrical system. We will guys share the link in the description of the video below, okay, how to remove, disconnect the correct way the car battery, which terminal, negative or positive first, so please check it out. So once the car battery is disconnected, you need to work on removing your intake manifold. This is the intake manifold guys. If some of you do not know how to remove it, we will have the video and I'll share the link in the description of the video below. Once you remove the intake manifold, which takes quite a bit of work guys, okay, that's where your PCV, okay, or crankcase ventilation valve is located. It has 3 hoses going in, one on the bottom. Okay, this is going towards the oil pan, one hose there. Here's one upper hose that goes to the valve cover on the back side, right there it attaches, and it has a vacuum hose going to the intake, okay, and it has a wire guys right here, that's a heating element wire, and this is the valve itself. How you remove it? Okay, you have to remove 3 screws, one here, one over there. Once you remove that mount, there will be another screw underneath it, remove it, and that whole valve guys will come out, okay, the whole assembly. So you can see this is where the valve is located. If you want to see how to test them or how to see the symptoms of a bad valve, we'll guys have the video on the channel. Please check it out. Hopefully guys, video will be helpful to any of you trying to do something like that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.